which is mine by.
ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ വീഡിയോത്തിൻ്റെ ഈ ഒരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവരെയും സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇന്ന് തേഴ്സ്ഡേ ആണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഇന്ന് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാർ PhD ആസ്ട്രോന്യൂമറോളജിസ്റ്റ്, വാസ്തു ആൻഡ് ഫെങ് ഷുയി എക്സ്പെർട്ട്, ലൈഫ് സ്റ്റൈൽ ആൻഡ് വെൽനസ് കൺസൾട്ടൻറ്റ്. ഹീസ് ട്രാവൽഡ് ഓൾ ഓവർ ദ വേൾഡ്. ഹീസ് മെറ്റ് ബൈ സെലിബ്രിറ്റീസ് ആൻഡ് ടുഡേ ഹീസ് ഹിയർ ടു അസിസ്റ്റ് യു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നേരിട്ട് ഡോക്ടറെ വിളിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടെ ജ്യോതിഷപരമായിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ചോദിക്കാൻ വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ 052961133. അതുപോലെ മറ്റൊരു ഓപ്ഷൻ 3537 ആണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ SMS നമ്പർ. SMS അയക്കുമ്പോൾ NTV എന്ന് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസും വെച്ച് SMS അയക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. എല്ലാവരെയും ഇന്നത്തെ മെഴുകുവരത്തിലേക്ക് ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യാണ്. ഡോക്ടർ നമസ്കാരം, മെഴുകുവരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
Welcome. Namaskaram. I just want to wish happy Holi to everybody.
Okay, yes.
Happy Holi to all of you all.
Yes, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എൻ്റെ വക ഹാപ്പി ഹോളി. ഓക്കെ ഡോക്ടർ, നമുക്ക് ഇന്നത്തെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന നക്ഷത്ര.
Yes. Little I can understand you now.
അപ്പം ഇന്നത്തെ നക്ഷത്രം ഏതാണ് for today?
Yeah, today. Now today nakshatra is Anuradha.
Okay, Aniram.
Correct. The general characteristics are they are quite rich, well-to-do. They usually like to live in foreign countries, unable to bear hunger, and they usually keep moving from place to place. Now the other things which are favorable towards them are wise, spirited, fun-loving, attractive, vigorous, interested in ancient knowledge, hardworking, then quite devotive, brave, enjoys traveling, healthy, accommodates many people, enjoys social life and organization, benefits more if they are live away from the birth of place. So these people usually they should live away from their mother place, so foreign countries are better for them for their long life prosperity. Usually they are ability to attract and maintain friendship. So if you want to have friendship, you should have with this type of nakshatra, and cooperates with others, ability to lean and form alliances. Now the unfavorable are guarded, cut off, held back by others, cannot cope with hunger or thirst, emotionally needy, like they are very emotional, they need always emotional support. They are quite jealous also and controlling of others, unaware of the effect on others, which sometimes results in the problem for others, and anger issues, moves frequently due to dissatisfaction, that is moves from one place to another, and quite tries too hard in terms of any type of progress. Now the career interest is business management, organization skills, travel industry, conference planners, dentist, plumbers, lawyers, actors, musicians, and mining engineers. So this was for today's nakshatra, that is
അനിഴം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം അനിഴം നക്ഷത്രക്കാരുടെ ഫേവറബിൾ അൺഫേവറബിൾ അതുപോലെ അവരുടെ കരിയർ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ഡോക്ടർ പറഞ്ഞ്. ഓക്കെ, ഷാൽ വി ഗോ ടു ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് SMS?
Yeah.
Okay, it's from Radish.
Ridish.
Yes, his date of birth is 6/10/1982.
6/10/1982.
His time of birth he doesn't know. He says nakshatram is Kartika. Place of birth is Kerala.
Okay, but he doesn't know about the
Time. Yes, but nakshatram is Kartika.
I have to put. Okay, let me try to put in the morning.
Okay.
Let me see. He doesn't say morning, evening, nothing, no?
No.
Let me try to put for you in the morning and see
Okay.
if Kartika nakshatra is coming.
Okay.
Then we can go about the reading. Yes, okay. He's born in the morning, Mesh Rashi and Kartika nakshatra.
Okay. He would like to know about his job, his future.
Okay.
He would also like to know about his lucky number, stone, color, and he's planning to build a home. So he would like to know if this is a good time for doing.
Okay, presently you got Ardha Shani, that is in November 2014, Ardha Shani started up till October 2017. So Shani is there, and even this Sarpa Dosham is there for you. So for you, you should do some necessary prayers in your native place. Your birth number is 6, your life path number is 9. So your lucky number is 9, day is Tuesday, color is maroon. you can go for the Navratna pendant, 9 gemstones pendant with number 9. And for the stone, what you want to know, you can go for emerald, Margadam, emerald in your right hand little finger. It's a green color stone. You should wear in gold, and approximately carat for you should be approximately 3.5 carat. That is a minimum requirement. That is emerald, Margadam. And you can go also for a Navratna pendant number 9. And for building the house, I would advise you should go for the next year, that is 2016, because 2016 will come on 9. This is 8 number, 2015 the year. But if you go for next year 2019, as 9 is your favorable number, so job, career prospects or building the house also will next year will be very, very good for you. Excellent. And the dasha which you are going on is presently Rahu dasha. So you will get some obstacles regarding the same, but do not worry, I will tell you some remedies. You can also wear a gomedam in your left hand middle finger in silver, a gomedam in the left hand middle finger, and this you can wear only up till 2022. After 2022 you can take off that stone, you don't need to. Your birthstone is emerald, as you were interested to know. And for Rahu, I would advise you, do not take electronics gifts from any other people except your family members. Keep a small piece of square silver touching in the purse always, plus any electronics which are not working in your house, or whichever mobile something, please get rid of it, or you can throw it if not working, or get it repaired. And plus if you can keep an aquarium in the north area of your living room, it is better, or feed the fishes every week, every Wednesday with raw rice and raw sugar. All the best to you.
Okay, thank you, doctor. So that was patient SMS and uttara. We have a caller with us.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
എൻ്റെ പേര് സിമി എന്നാണ്.
സിമി, ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
മോനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്.
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ മോന്റെ.
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 2004 June 30.
Okay, June 30th 2004 അല്ലേ?
And time 6:54 PM.
PM. Okay. എവിടെ ജനിച്ചത് മോന്?
Kerala, Trivandrum.
Okay, എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
To know about his studies and all.
She would like to know about his studies. ഏത് ഗ്രേഡിലാ പഠിക്കുന്ന മോന്?
Now in grade 5th.
Okay.
So date of birth is 30/06/2004, no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And 1854 Kerala.
Yes.
18.
Yeah,
Yes, 6:54 PM, no?
Yeah, 6:54, correct. 6:54 PM.
1854 PM. Vishak Rashi and Triketa Nakshatra.
Triketa, okay.
Correct? Yes. And okay, he got Kantaka Shani going on from
Now, okay.
yeah, it is from November 2011 to
Okay.
January 2020.
Till 2020.
Yeah, January 2020, and he got Chava Dosham also, plus he
Okay.
got Sarpa Dosham also. So you have to do both the prayers in the native place. One is Chava Dosham prayers,
Okay.
and plus the Sarpa Dosham prayers. Please do it in the native place.
Okay.
You have to do it one is study time,
Okay.
like he is into studies. When he finishes the studies and when he goes for the career, second time you have to do that time.
Okay.
Do 2 times.
Okay.
I hope you have not done it, correct?
Yes?
Have you done it, this prayers?
No, I didn't do.
Okay, his birth number 3 and life path number is 6. And
Okay.
the dasha which is
lucky number is 6?
yeah, lucky number is 6.
Okay.
And he got Budam dasha, sorry. Presently he is born also in Budam dasha.
Okay.
And his Budam dasha is there up till October 2019.
Okay.
So up till 2019 is not a problem, but
Okay.
after that, this 2020,
Okay.
yeah, up till October, after that, Ketu dasha starts for 7 years, so you should be careful in this Ketu dasha. But for the timing,
After this 2020.
yes, after October 2019.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So study, you are asking about studies, correct now?
Yes, studies, his future.
Yeah, studies is okay. Up till Budam the studies is very good, I will tell you. But in Ketu he can get a break.
Okay.
Yeah, and plus even the Shani is there. As I told you, it is up till January 2020. There is possibility of, if Budam becomes weak, then
Okay.
there is a chances of him, like concentration or
Okay.
lack of focus. He's interested in studies, but concentration is not there, or sometimes lot of playful.
Okay.
So, which grade is now?
Now in grade 5th.
Grade 5th.
Yeah.
Okay. I would advise you keep 6 pieces of peacock feather in his room.
6.
6 pieces of peacock feather
Okay.
in his room.
Okay.
Keep a green color of educational pyramid.
Okay.
Face east while studying.
Okay.
And you can also give him lot of green vegetables, especially on Wednesday.
Okay.
And whenever possible, donate educational books to the children
Yes.
on
Yeah,
his
sure,
name.
sure.
Yeah, educational books on his name to the children, to any children, not only poor, but you can lot of education.
Understood.
Yeah, educational story books, moral story books to the children.
Okay.
So you distribute that. That is excellent for him. I think others. One more thing, if you for on his name, every Saturday, yeah, you donate green color food like cherupere or
I
palak.
understood. Yeah.
Yeah, green. So Budam will also be good, and subsequently,
Okay.
if you are doing on Saturday, you are doing good Annadanam on Saturday on his name. So the
Okay.
education will not suffer also, and
Okay.
he is too young for Jenny Gemstone, so that's why I'm not any advising him. Okay.
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 The rest everything I will follow. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Yeah, thanks a lot for
Thanks for
calling.
calling.
Okay.
Bye bye. Doctor, shall we go to another SMS?
Okay.
It's from Balu.
Balu.
His date of birth is 5/1/1990.
5/01/1990.
Yes. Time is 2:05 p.m.
1405. Yes.
Place is Kerala.
Yeah.
He's finished his MSc in biotechnology. He would like to study further, or So he's asking if it's a good time to study, or if he has to go for a job.
Okay, he's Mesh Rashi and Ashwati Nakshatra, and he got Ardha Shani, which is started in November 2014, and October 2017 it will finish. He got even Chavadosham also at the same time, and his birth number 5, life path number 7. He can go for the prosperity pendant number 7, and the dasha which he is going on is Shukram Dasha, which is about to finish in June.
Okay.
So after that is Surya Dasha. So still I think for a couple of years he can go for studies. Yes, a couple of years he can go for studies, and after that he can go for his career.
Okay.
Only studies, is it anything else?
No, he would like to know if he wants to study. So he would like to know whether to continue with studies,
Yeah,
or
he can
to
continue
look for a job.
he can continue for the studies, and subsequently I would like him to feed the birds with rice and water. Feed the birds with cooked rice
Okay.
and water. That will also give him good success.
Okay. So thank you, doctor.
Yeah.
We have a caller with us. Hello. Good
Okay.
afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
Rajan.
Okay. ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്?
Okay. Date of birth പറയൂ.
3/1/1970.
Sorry?
3/1/1970.
3/01/1970.
1970. Yeah, 5:30 morning.
5:30.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, place.
എവിടെയാ ജനിച്ചേ?
In Kerala.
കേരള. Okay. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
Just time and whatever construction of build a house and all. When it will be possible.
Like to know about his time in general, and
Yes.
he's planning to construct a house.
Okay, he's Tula Rashi and Choti Nakshatra,
Yeah.
and okay, you have Kantaka Shani going on now,
Okay.
which will finish in October 2017.
17. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
October 2017,
Mhm.
and your birth number is 3, and your life path number is also 3, when you total up. So this comes very, very rarely. You can go for the prosperity pendant number 3. The dasha
Number
which
three.
the dasha which you are going on is now Budam dasha.
Okay.
Yeah, so for house I will advise you next year is okay for you for the house in 2016. That comes on number 9.
2016, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You had Shani for 19 years in your Jatakam.
Okay.
Yeah, but from March 2014, So you can say last approximately 1 year, Budam Dasha is going on, which will be 2031.
Yeah.
So Budam Dasha is very, very good for you.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you can go for the house constructions, and subsequently you are working now.
I'm working now. Yeah.
Yeah. Even I can see some what you say, some improvement or increment or some promotion in the early 2016 for you.
2016.
Yeah, 2016. It is possible that you can get a better break or a good break in the same place where you are.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would advise you if you can do some remedies which will give you also very good results.
Okay.
Yes, I would advise you feed the cat. Yeah,
okay.
feed the cat with cat
Yeah.
food on every Tuesday and Wednesday after sunset. Cats are available next to dustbin, and you get from the supermarket the cat food, the normal cat food.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, you should be vegetarian
Okay.
on Saturday.
So yeah, that we're doing. I'm doing that one.
Acha, you're doing that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and as your Shani is going on, as I told you, and it will, I think, finish up till 2017. Once in a year, feed
Okay.
8 poor people for
Okay.
8 continuous Saturday with a vegetarian food. It's very, very
Okay.
easy to do it here. Do not worry.
Yeah.
There is Baldia, Natur, or you can say construction is going on. Lot of
Yeah.
people are there. Just take some vegetarian food, parcel food, give it to them.
Okay.
8 poor people for 8 continuous Saturday once in a year. So you can
Okay.
start from, you have to do just for 3 years, 2015, 16 and 17. In 17. You will
Okay.
get very good results with this Annadanam.
Okay. What is the financial situation, Tony?
Financial is up and down, don't worry. Money is not saving.
Yeah.
Expenses are coming before the income, correct?
Yeah.
This will be there up till you can say next 2 years, but in 2017, if you are doing these remedies, I will tell you,
Okay.
you will get excellent results, by doing this Annadanam. Especially we say, Mahadanam, Annadanam.
Yeah.
So do Annadanam, and your respective plants will be happy, and you will start getting even financial stability, you can say after mid of 2016.
2016.
Yeah.
What
Okay.
about the children education studies and?
No, children education, then the children's personal Jatakam has to be
Okay.
taken from your
Okay.
Jatakam. I cannot say about your children's
Yeah, but that will
education,
not be possible.
their life, their career, their spouse.
Yeah.
It's difficult,
Okay.
This is
But
basically,
totally
yes.
Everything will be getting well, yeah?
Sorry?
Because the situation is getting improved.
Yeah,
right?
situation will getting improved, and attachment of the children is very good. This will, I can only say that the attachment of the children with you is very good, and like they'll be staying with you. With this,
Okay.
only we can tell you this particular aspects, because a lot of things are limited also to this,
Yeah, okay.
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 Thanks for
Okay,
calling.
thanks
Bye-bye.
a lot.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Alright, doctor, we'll go to another SMS.
Yeah.
Okay, it's from Anil. It's for his son Vijay. Date of birth is 21st August 1996.
Yes.
Time is 1:37 p.m.
1337.
7 p.m. Yes.
Yeah.
Place of birth is Mumbai.
Mumbai. In the meantime, you can
Yes.
announce my
Yeah.
number. I'll just calculate Mumbai.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yes. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറിനെ നേരിട്ട് പോയി കാണണം. If you need his appointment, his guidance, you can contact Mr. Kiran, and the contact number is 050-272-4157. Alright, doctor. So he would like to know this for his son Vijay.
Yeah.
He would like to know about his studies, his health, his future, and any remedies if required.
Okay, his Tula Rashi Vishakam Nakshatra.
Okay.
And I think Vishakam Nakshatra, we had taken it last time. So if you have seen the program, present he also got Kantaka Shani going on, which is up till October 2017.
Okay.
And he has got even Chawa Dosham. His birth number is 3 and life path number is 9. And he got Shani Dasha going on, so he got double Shani. In the Jatakam also Shani Dasha, and plus the Kantaka Shani up till October 2017. So I think he has to do a lot of Shani remedies for him. Otherwise it is difficult. Which grade he said something?
That is not mentioned.
Not
He
mentioned,
is
because he would-
96 born.
Sorry?
He's
Yeah, 1996 born, so
born,
he's
yes.
approximately I think 18 years old. 18 to 19 years old, correct. You see, he has to really struggle a lot, I will tell you. Yes. And what is the other questions? What he has asked
Want
me?
to know about his health, future, and remedies.
Okay, health. Future is okay, fine. After I will tell you, it will take little time for him to get married, for him to get settled. Also, it will be at least at the age of 25 and 26.
Okay.
Yeah, health. Sometimes he may feel weak, or sometimes he can have a sport injury. So always he should be careful for sports. He should play carefully, otherwise he is bound to get sports injury. And regarding the remedies, yes, I can tell you. Remedies is first of all, every Saturday tell your son to fly free 2 birds, buy the birds and fly free 2 birds. Then he can also every Saturday he can feed the pigeons. Tell him to feed the pigeons. Tell him to feed the pigeons with chirupair, that is green whole mung chirupair every Saturday to the pigeons. And take bath with salt water every Saturday. Take bath with salt water every Saturday. Be a vegetarian on Saturday and Tuesday. And even avoid onion and garlic on Thursday if possible. And avoid white milk at night. Otherwise, I think other things are okay, fine.
Okay, thank you, doctor, so much. We have a caller with us. Hello, namaskaram.
Hello.
Namaskaram, ആരാ ഇത്?
എന്റെ പേര് അനൂപ്.
പേര് ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ടില്ല. അനൂപ്. ഓക്കെ, അനൂപ്, ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എനിക്ക് എന്റെ ഫ്യൂച്ചറിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്.
ഓക്കെ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
24/7/1996.
Sorry?
ക്ലിയർ ആവണില്ല അനൂപ്.
24/7/1996.
ഓക്കെ.
ചെന്നൈയിലാണ് ജനനം.
ചെന്നൈ.
ചെന്നൈ 7:37 PM.
7:30 PM.
37 PM.
37 PM. ഓക്കെ. ഓക്കെ, പഠിത്തത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചാണോ അറിയണ്ടേ? സ്റ്റഡീസ്?
പഠിത്തം പിന്നെ എന്റെ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ.
ഓക്കെ, യു വുഡ് ലൈക്ക് ടു നോ അബൌട്ട് ഹിസ് സ്റ്റഡീസ് ആൻഡ് ഫ്യൂച്ചർ.
What is one in Chennai, no?
ചെന്നൈ.
Okay, he is Tula Rashi, Jyoti Nakshatra. And you want to know about your studies, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You also have a lot of people today are calling and they have what to say, Kantaka Shani. So you have Kantaka Shani up till October 2017. And
Okay.
yes, your birth number is 6 and life path number is 2. And
Okay.
subsequently your dasha which you are going on is Shani dasha. You see, I think a lot of people are coming with Kantaka Shani and Shani dasha.
Okay.
So you have Shani dasha also and Kantaka Shani. Up till Kantaka Shani is there up till 2033, up till the age of 37. So you have lot of struggles, lot of speed breakers and lot of hitches in life for your career.
Okay.
Yeah. And what you are doing now? Yeah, what you are doing now?
Actually, I'm doing my 12th. I've got exam on March 50th.
Okay. Okay,
So,
okay.
I want to know whether it will be a positive or a negative result for me.
Yeah, you do some remedies. I will just tell you something. You will get through, but you have to really work hard. Huh?
Okay.
You will get through, but you have to work really hard. I will tell you some remedies for the same. Just do some service to the elders or donate something to the old age home, like food and food or clothes or some medicines. First of all, do that. You should keep at least 11 pieces of peacock feather wherever you are studying.
Okay.
Keep a pyramid, a green color pyramid, which is known as educational pyramid.
Okay.
Keep also a globe on your table, a crystal globe also on your table.
Okay.
Wash your feet at night before going to bed.
Pardon, I didn't get you.
Wash your feet at night
Okay.
before going to bed. Wear bathroom
Okay.
slippers while taking bath.
Okay.
Okay. And whenever in the morning you get up, just look at your palms.
Okay.
Have a good wish, and then you get up
Okay.
from your bed. I think all will be well by this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye. Alright, doctor, shall we go for a break?
Yeah. Okay.
വീഡിയോയിലൊരു ബ്രേക്കിന് സമയമായിരിക്കാണ്. സോ സീ യു ഓൾ ആഫ്റ്റർ എ വെരി ഷോർട്ട് ബ്രേക്ക്.
Do you desire for perfect health, better relationships, success in business, career and education, and above all, prosperity and happiness? Well, here is the solution. Dr. Kumar PhD, famous lifestyle consultant, astronumerologist, Vastu Feng Shui graphologist expert, met and consulted by film stars and celebrities, is here to assist you and guide you to a happy and bright future. Contact Kiran 050-2724-157.
At your service for your happiness, satisfaction and prosperity.
ആയുർവേദം യോഗ അക്യുപഞ്ചർ ചികിത്സകൾ ഒരേ കുട കീഴിൽ ഔറ ആൾട്ടർനേറ്റീവ് മെഡിക്കൽ സെന്റർ കിങ് ഫൈസൽ സ്ട്രീറ്റ് ഷാർജ ഫോർ കോൺടാക്ട് 06-575-7001 മൊബൈൽ 050-217-4712 ഇമെയിൽ orasharja@yahoo.com.
അടുത്ത സാറ്റർഡേ എന്റെ സ്കൂളിലാണ് അച്ഛയാ.
Oh, good.
പക്ഷെ മമ്മി വന്നാ മതി, പപ്പ വന്ന എന്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് കളയാക്കും.
Bring back the happiness in your life. Gulf Kate Hair Fixing. Look natural. Feel natural.
ഗൾഫിലെത്തിയാൽ നാടിനെയും നാട്ടിലെ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെയും പോലെ ഏറ്റവും അധികം മിസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന മറ്റൊന്നുണ്ട്, നമ്മുടെ നാടിന്റെ രുചി. എന്നാൽ ആ ടെൻഷൻ ഇനിയില്ല. ദൈവത്തിന്റെ സ്വന്തം നാട്ടിലെ സ്വാദ് ഇപ്പോൾ UAE-ലും എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നു.
അതെ, നിങ്ങൾ മറന്ന സ്വാദിന്റെ ഓർമ്മകൾ പുതുക്കുവാൻ തേജസ് റെസ്റ്റോറന്റ് അജ്മാൻ.
Welcome back to Media Room. Today we have with us Dr. Kumar. He is a PhD astronumerologist, Vastu and Feng Shui expert, lifestyle and wellness consultant. Doctor, we have a caller with us.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ലക്ഷ്മിയാണ്.
Okay.
എനിക്ക് എന്റെ മകനെ പറ്റി അറിയാനായിരുന്നു.
Okay, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. Date of birth പറയൂ.
Date of birth 13th
Yes.
August 1999.
Time?
1:15
PM?
PM ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക്.
PM. Okay. 1:15 അല്ലേ?
ആ.
Place?
ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം.
കേരള. Okay. എന്താ അറിയണ്ട മോനെ കുറിച്ച്?
മോന്റെ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷനും ഫ്യൂച്ചറിനെ പറ്റി.
Want to know about his education and future? Yes.
Okay, he's Puram Nakshatra, Simarashi Puram Nakshatra.
Yeah.
Yeah, his Ardha Shani is going on up till October 2017.
Okay.
And he got even Chavadosham also at the same time. He is birth number 4, life math number 4. 4 is basically a number of obstacles, I will tell you, for short term assignments and also long term assignments. So usually you start getting speed breakers, you know, when you start working or even in the education field also. Presently he got Surya Dasha.
Okay.
Yeah, which will finish in October 2015.
Okay.
And after that is Chandrama Dasha for 10 years.
Okay.
So Dasha is not a problem up till the age of up till the age of 26, but subsequently I will say that Shani is there, you know, so for that I think his studies can suffer, you know.
Okay.
Has before any time he has suffered his studies? How is his concentration level?
No, he is okay in his studies.
Yeah. And which grade he is now?
He's in 10th grade now.
10th grade now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so now what you want to know?
I want to know about his future, you know, about his career and future studies and all that.
Okay. Career, he can go in any tactical line.
Okay.
Yeah, that is good for him. And regarding studies, a little push has to be there from your side, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, push. Otherwise, you know, sometimes concentration level or, you know, like focus on the studies, or sometimes he may get carried up by his friends.
Okay.
Yeah, that can be possible in this period of Saturn of Ardha Shani, you know. Yeah, I will tell you some. Yeah, I will tell you some remedies which will overcome this.
Okay.
Yeah, first of all, if it's possible, he can wear a prosperity pendant number 7.
Okay.
Yeah, why? Because he's birth number 4 and life path number 4. 4 is basically a number related to planet Rahu.
Okay.
So whatever he does, you know, he will not get 100% results. If he also, you know, studies very well, he will get just 40, 45, 50% sometimes result, you know, of his efforts.
Okay.
Not
yeah.
now, but in his life. So he should go for a
Throughout-
yeah.
Throughout his life, it is like that.
Yes. That's why I told you to dilute this effect of 4 and 4. You should go for the prosperity pendant, preferably in gold if you can afford it. Number 7, and 7, as I told you, is a number of creation. 7 days of the week, 7 wonders of the world, 7 continents, 7 seas, and etc.
Okay.
So this will help him to dilute this numerological effect.
Okay, we should wear something which is with 7 in gold.
Yes. No, it's prosperity pendant. I will tell you, it's a Navaratna pendant number 7.
Okay.
I have shown it in the earlier episodes. If you can go through it, you will see it. So,
Okay.
yeah. So Navaratna pendant number 7, he should wear it.
What about his job and all that?
Yeah, job, I will tell you that job stability will be there only after the age of 25.
Job stability. after
Yeah. Otherwise,
25.
before that, he'll get a job, but not of his choice, or sometime he may start, he may keep on changing it. But by the age of 25, he'll be well settled in life.
What about his family, future, everything?
Yeah, family is there, and as I told you, he got Chava Dosham. Do the necessary prayers in the native place.
Yeah.
Because sometime what happens, the marriage becomes late, either it is 26 or 27 or before 28, or
Yeah.
if you don't take care of it, then it comes to straight away 33 and 34 years of age.
Okay,
So yeah, so try to do necessary prayers, and I will just advise you some remedies for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, at night he should not eat radish, milk and yogurt. On Saturday
No,
he should
milk and yogurt in the night.
radish, mulangi, milk and yogurt.
Okay.
Then he should be a vegetarian on Saturday and Thursday.
Okay.
He should feed the ants with sugar and atta daily, at least 2-3
Yeah.
trees. Ants are available at the base of every tree. Okay, and if you can arrange to do some donation of food and fruits, and fruits to the orphanage.
Okay.
To the orphanage, and tell him to give up a favorite fruit
Okay.
for 43 days.
43 days.
Give up a favorite fruit. Any favorite fruit, give up for 43 days. Once in a year. 2015, 2016, 2017. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I ask for my husband also, or should I call again?
I think you should call again. Yeah.
Because there are a lot of waiting period.
Yeah,
A lot of
okay.
callers.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Doctor, we'll go to another SMS.
Okay.
It's from Sonu.
Okay.
6/3/1992.
6/3/1992.
Yes. Morning. The time is between 5:15 and 5:30. Kerala. The place is Kerala.
AM, no?
Yes.
5:15, 5:30.
So 5:30. Yes. This star is Uttratadi.
Okay, Kerala, no?
Yes. She or he, I don't know. He's studying for CA. He would like to know about his education, job, and lucky number and color.
Okay.
Sonu is the person.
Yeah. Correct. Uttratadi, correct. Meena Rashi, Uttratadi Nakshatra. Okay, his Ardha Shani was going on, which is finished in November 2014. So Shani is not there. Chava Dosham is there, which necessary prayers has to be done in the native proper place. And plus your birth number 6, life path number is 3. You can go for the prosperity pendant number 3, and the dasha which you are going on is Budham dasha. So I think Budham dasha is very good for studies. Up till 2021 you have Budham dasha, February 2021. So up till 2020 you can concentrate on the studies, and you can get a better career. And what else he wants to know about it?
Education, job, lucky number, lucky color. That is
Okay, lucky number and lucky color. Lucky number is, as I told you, number 3. You should go for the prosperity pendant number 3. Your lucky day is Thursday, and color is cream and yellow. And in fact, on Thursday, if you can be a vegetarian food, it will be very good for you. On Thursday, avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, and avoid shampoo. Even you should you should not wash clothes if it is possible for you. Otherwise, at least avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, and avoid shampoo on Thursday. And plus, if it is possible for you to avoid onion and garlic on Saturdays. Just avoid onion and garlic on Saturdays, and you should wear bathroom slippers while taking bath. Wear bathroom slippers while taking bath. I think this would give him good results.
Okay, thank you, doctor, for that. We have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്ന പേര് പറയൂ.
ഹസ്ബൻഡിന്റെ കാര്യം അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടായിരുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് എന്താ?
29 February 1984.
29th of Feb 1984.
അതെ.
Okay, time?
Time എന്താ? Place of birth Abu Dhabi ആണ്.
Okay.
Time is how much?
She doesn't know the time. ഇതറിയോ? നക്ഷത്രം അറിയോ?
നക്ഷത്രം തിരുവോണം.
തിരുവോണം. Okay.
അതെ.
A place is Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
Okay, എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
ജോലിക്കാരെ അറിയണം. ആക്ച്വലി ജോബ് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കണം കുറേ വർഷമായിട്ട്. ഇതുവരെ ഒന്നും ശരിയായിട്ടില്ല. ഫുൾ ഒബ്സ്റ്റക്കിൾസ് ആണ് കാണുന്നത്. ഏത് കാര്യമായാലും ജോലി എന്നല്ല, ഏത് കാര്യമായാലും
തടസ്സങ്ങളാണ്.
അതെ.
Okay. She would like to know about his job. He's been trying to change job since long, but he's facing a lot of obstacles. Not only in his job, but whatever he does, there's a lot of obstacles. ആരെ വിളിക്കുന്നേ? പേര് പറയൂ.
രാധിക.
രാധിക. Okay.
Okay. What is the nakshatra?
നക്ഷത്രം തിരുവോണം അല്ലേ?
തിരുവോണം.
Savan. Trivonam. Correct. He is born in the morning. Makar Rashi. Trivonam nakshatra.
I don't know whether he was born in the morning. I don't know the exact time.
Because you see, you didn't give me the time, so I have to put approximately time. So I have put the morning time. So he is born in the morning with Makar Rashi, Makaram Rashi, and Trivonam nakshatra.
Yeah, Trivonam.
Yeah, that means he is born in the morning because it is coming right. Okay, he doesn't have any Kantakashani, Ardhashani up till now, but his Kantakashani, big Shani for 7.5 years starts in 2017 for 7.5 years. So from 2017, actually struggle period is there. He got even Chava Dosham at the same time. Okay, his birth number is 2, but life path number is 8, and this year is also of number 8, 2015. In this year, it is very, very difficult for him to get success.
Okay, the present year.
Yeah, and for so long, for quite number of years, which obstacles what he was getting because of Rahu Dasha. But now, presently, from last year, Rahu Dasha is not there. It is Guru Dasha. Vyam.
Okay, Guru.
Yeah, Guru Dasha is there up till 2028. The period can be more favorable, but I think there are some planets little weak, so that is why if we do some remedies, then only he can come throughout the obstacles.
Okay.
Yeah, so first of all, see he has, as I told you, birth number 2 and life path number is 8. So to dilute this effect, he should go for the prosperity pendant number 3.
Okay.
Okay, first remedy is that.
Okay.
And on Thursday you should observe that do not give loan.
On Thursday.
Yeah,
okay.
Avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, avoid shampoo, avoid washing machine.
All right. Okay.
This is to avoid. Yeah, this is for him, but our washing machine is for you.
Washing.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, no washing of clothes. That is your homework. But for him, it is do not give loan on Thursday. Avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, and avoid shampoo. Okay. And yes, avoid full black color also.
On Thursday.
Yeah. No. Avoid full black color always. Do not wear full black. Occasionally it is okay. Blue color is good for him.
Okay.
Day is Thursday and the number is 3. Okay. And now I will tell you some other good remedies which can really help him about it. One thing is he can do some meditation and yoga, which will give him peace and guidance. Yes.
Okay.
Then he can give some donation of what you say food or clothes to the special need children's.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
We can do it here itself.
Yeah, you can do it. Everything you can do it here. Whatever Annadanam or whatever I say, everything is possible here. Just you have to take some effort. It is the effort which counts, not the amount which counts what you are giving actually. Okay, and donate water. Yes, donate water wherever it is necessary, whenever it is necessary.
All right.
Take a bath with little milk on every Monday.
On Monday.
Yes.
Okay.
And every Saturday he should fly 3 birds, fly free 3 birds every Saturday.
What is it? I didn't get you.
Fly free 3 birds. You should buy the birds, 3 birds.
Okay.
He will-
Okay.
Yeah,
I like that.
yeah. Just
Okay.
let them go free. So they will feel good. Nobody wants to stay in a one room, always.
Yeah, I know.
So for them that is the freedom. So at least do some good deeds by this. I think obstacles will go off, and he can also keep one small piece of triangle, silver triangle in his purse.
All right.
Yeah, I think that would quite benefit him.
Like I should do some fasting or something for him.
Okay,
like
if you want to do the fasting, do fast on Monday. Every Monday.
Myself, for
yes,
me,
yes,
right?
yes, for you you can fast on Monday. Have dinner, break the fast after sunset.
Okay.
And in the daytime, tea, coffee, fruit juice allowed. Only eat one time food after sunset.
All right.
That is good for you if it is possible. If your health is okay, fine.
Yeah.
If your health suppose, you can do fasting on Monday.
Okay.
And on Thursday, I will advise you make some yellow sweet rice.
Yeah. Okay.
Yellow sweet rice.
Yeah.
On Thursday, yes, and distribute to all, let everybody, all the members of the family eat. That is also very good for you all,
Yeah. Okay.
for the house. Okay.
Yeah. And one more thing, like he is wearing a pearl ring on his right hand, ring finger.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
He is wearing a pearl gemstone. You mean to say pearl?
Yeah.
Yes.
Pearl. The pure pearl, sea pearl.
Sea pearl in the right hand, little finger.
No, ring finger.
Ring finger in silver or gold?
In silver.
No, he should not wear a pearl. If you want to know about the stones, as per request, I will let you know now within 2 minutes. He should go for he should go for a yellow sapphire.
Yellow sapphire.
Yellow sapphire is for Guru. Guru Dasha. Your Guru Dasha is going on, and he should wear this stone. Yellow sapphire in the right hand, index finger in gold.
Okay. Index finger in gold.
And he can also go for a coral, a triangle shaped coral, that is Pavalam. In the right hand, ring finger in gold. This stone will also help his health and your health also. And always I think advise people to take certified original and energized gemstones for you to get results, because result is more important than money. So as you requested for the stone, I said let me just educate you the same. But these are the stones. He should not wear the pearl. Pearl will make him more lazy or more emotional or more sensitive. Okay.
Yeah, all right. Okay.
Happy?
And the coral, he can wear it in gold or silver?
No, coral also gold. First preference is gold.
Okay. It's both in the index finger only, right?
Right hand index finger is yellow sapphire in gold. Right hand ring finger is Pavalam coral, a triangle shape in gold.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Happy?
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks a lot for calling. Bye bye. All right. നമുക്കിവിടെ കുറച്ച് SMS വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. So one thing I would like to say is ഒരു SMS from the number 8968 മെസ്സേജ് അയക്കാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ മെസ്സേജ് കോളം ഇസ് ബ്ലാങ്ക്. സോ ഇഫ് യു വോണ്ട് ടു സെൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് അഗൈൻ പ്ലീസ് ഡു ഇറ്റ് വിത്ത് ഓൾ യുവർ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ്. ഇപ്പം നമുക്ക് സമയമില്ലെങ്കിലും നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീക്ക് ഡോക്ടർ വരുമ്പം ഈ വന്ന SMS ഒക്കെ ഞങ്ങൾ വായിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. വൺസ് അഗൈൻ the last 4 digits of the mobile number is 8968.
What happened?
No, the SMS,
blank.
yes, it's blank. Yes,
SMS.
just the number has come. So if you wish to resend it, so please do so. Alright, doctor, I think the time is almost over. Before that, I think we have a caller.
Okay, we can
just
attend.
see. Hello.
Just very short.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, are you there?
Hello.
Hello. Okay, I think that call is disconnected.
Okay,
yes.
fine, no problem.
Anyways, our time is over for today, doctor. So thanks a lot once again
my
for being
pleasure
here
to
on
serve
Video
you.
Room,
No problem.
and and of being of help to our viewers.
It's my pleasure to serve all the
NTV viewers.
NTV viewers.
Yes, thanks a lot once again.
Especially Malayalis.
All right. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഒരു എപ്പിസോഡ് വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ സമയമായിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഓൺ സാറ്റർഡേ ഐ വിൽ ബി കമ്മിങ് വിത്ത് അനദർ ഗസ്റ്റ്. 2 തൊട്ട് 3 വരെ നമുക്ക് വീണ്ടും കാണും. എല്ലാവർക്കും വെരി ഹാപ്പി വീക്കെൻഡ്. Once again, it's me, Sharon, signing off. With me is Dr. Kumar. Nanni, namaskaram.
Nanni, namaskaram.